Indonesia is once again in mourning on Thursday, February 6, 2025. How could it not be? Two of its regions, Sukabumi Regency and South Cianjur in West Java Province, have been struck by a natural disaster. A typhoon, strong winds, and a tornado have devastated residential areas. In Tegalbuleud and Subdistrict districts of Sukabumi Regency, strong winds damaged 12 houses, leaving roofs scattered everywhere. 2 shop houses lost their canopy roofs, and 1 house was crushed by a fallen tree. 10 villages were affected by this disaster. Sibangok, Rambe, Sijoho, Kalansing, Datarnanka, Siburium, Babadan, Buniasi, Sumberjaya, and Bangbang.
Kawasan pantai Cianjur Selatan diterjang angin badai.
South Cianjur was not spared from the strong winds. Several buildings were damaged, mostly on their roofs. The worst impact was felt in 2 villages, Saganten and Jatisari in Sindangbarang District, particularly in the Karang Potong Ocean View tourist area in Saganten village, where buildings were destroyed after being hit by a tornado. A fallen tree crushed a car, severely damaging it. Fortunately, the driver was not inside at the time. Meanwhile, strong winds also brought down an electricity pole, which fell directly onto a resident's house. The Regional Disaster Management Agency, BPBD, has urged the public to remain vigilant against extreme weather in the coming days.
Untuk PLN ditunggu ya. Terima kasih. Ditukang hiber. Untuk PLN punten tolong dibantos ya. Kena tegangan hiber. PLN maaf.